Hi, focus on the journey and the destination will surprise you. This is the quote which came to me early in the morning. And today I thought of sharing with you all how, when you focus on the journey, the destination which you are choosing is going to surprise you. How is that? I mean, when I'm trying to set a goal for myself, when I'm trying to plan a destination, when I'm trying to reach somewhere, that's a known destination to me. How is it going to surprise me? That's the surprise for you too. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from a clinic called Sakhyam. The mission of Sakhyam is well-being of all. So when I say about journey, what does it come to your mind? So whether it is nurturing of our relationship, whether it is setting a goal in our work area, whether it is rearing a child into a beautiful human being ahead, everything we are so tuned into getting what we want from the life in terms of results, achievements, accomplishment, even for our kids, even for our team members, and in getting lost in that destination is such a normal thing for us. But what I would like to draw your attention to today is the process, the journey. So when I am, suppose I'm targeting to run 14 kilo, half marathon, okay, and what I'm trying to do is every day, that's in my mind, I have to achieve half marathon or full marathon. So in a month's time, I'm going to have that, and for which I will start training myself today, and every day I'll train myself to make my muscles stronger, my stamina better, and that's how when I'm actually doing it, I'll be able to achieve my destination. But what I want to make you realize is when you are in that journey, if you enjoy the journey, the rewards are immense. I mean, whether you will be able to run that marathon or not can happen to you now in this moment. The anticipation that you go through, whether I'll be able to actually achieve it, the anxiety that it builds in you every day, and the day when it comes, that anxiety pushes you to do your best, and the fear that comes of failure along with it can be a part of the journey. Whether that is a part of your journey against the small achievement that I do every day. Today, instead of 1 kilometer which I ran yesterday, I was able to run 2 kilometers. The skill set that you develop every day, you understand how your thigh muscles are functioning, you're conscious about your legs, about the muscles that are taking part in this whole journey, how you are increasing your stamina day by day, and how fulfilling it is to feel energetic. When you concentrate on the small nuisance that happens every day during the training process and you enjoy the journey, then when actually you reach the destination, it is such a surprising, fulfilling destination because you have become a different person. The whole being from an anticipating, anxious person has become a stronger, a resilient, and a person who is invested and immersed in the task. Isn't that a rewarding thing to achieve than the achievement itself? Apart from that, when you immerse yourself in the task, the growth that happens, the skill set that you learn is something which you will be only aware when you are in the journey, focused and immersed in the doing that you're doing every day. Staying in what you're doing is the next step, but what you're doing, getting immersed in it, getting aware of it, like my yoga practices when I do every day, every single muscle that take parts in it to make me achieve the pose I am targeting to is the fulfilling journey. The small achievement that I do every day is a fulfilling journey, rather than the mindset which speaks like, oh yeah, I'm not able to do so much. The change of mindset which happens every day, the transformation that I go every day is a journey itself. So immersion in this task is another reward that happens, or another skill set that you learn. Then, apart from this, there is a uncertainty. which you have to face every moment. You're not sure. You do your best, but you're not sure what you are expecting will happen or not. So the uncertainty makes you adapt, innovate yourself, and grow. So that's another set of mindset that you develop when you are in this journey. The process that drills you and makes you face through things which you don't expect will make you endure it, will make you grow, and then you are in the 10th class. This KG class will not matter. Those failures are not something. The obstacles will look like an opportunity to grow. This exam is going to make me go from a 3rd standard to the 4th standard. So it's an opportunity for me to do it. Isn't that a wonderful thing to feel and achieve? Along with that, you inspire your team members, you inspire your family members, you inspire your friends, and you see their growth. That is an immense fulfillment that anybody can achieve. And I would request you all to really, rather than just completing the task and focusing on the result, which will eventually happen when you do your best, and leading to an emotion which is more joyful, you have to see that you enjoy this process. Because when you are focused and fixated on your outcomes, the disappointments, the burnout, the frustration, the anxiety is inevitable, because you just focus on the outcome. But when you focus on the process and the journey, the small joys, the fulfillment of being in the present, the immersion that you are having in the task, and then staying peacefully and calmly in doing it every day consistently will free you from all this negative emotion. It will make you the person you are looking forward to become. The surprise destination which is awaiting you is not just the fulfillment and achievement of the task you were looking forward to, not the fulfilling relationship only, but the person you have become. More resilient, full of abundance mindset, growing every single day, and celebrating that win every single day. You don't just chase the ideal. You become the ideal every moment and every step that you conquer every day. That's what I really want for all of you. Now, the practical way to really remain in the process and the journey and not get fixated to the outcome is, first and foremost, your intention has to be very clear and not just attached to your goals. Your intention is bettering, becoming the best of your version, and making it happen for everyone around you. So even if you're an entrepreneur and trying to achieve a goal for your company, helping people in the process to achieve their goal is also an intention that you can harbor, and that is an important thing. Being curious during this journey and seeing the wonders of life when you're getting immersed in the life and when you are in the process of the life is also very beautiful. Celebrating the small wins that you get every single day is also a way to be in the journey. Being in the present moment, being focused in what you're doing is also one way to remain in the journey. There are so many beautiful ways that you can actually immerse in the life and reap the benefit of how life unfolds in front of you, with all the opportunity for you to grow and become the person you are. We have a limitless potential inside us, and to tap into that, you got to see it in a different way. The journey will help you to perceive it and see it in a very beautiful way. If you don't get fixed to the way you're seeing it earlier, just allow yourself to flow with the life, adapt with it, and grow with it. That's how everything around us is doing. Hope this journey with me had helped you to focus on yourself and added some value to your life. The destination is going to be surprising and beautiful for you. See you soon. See you all. Thank you.